there, my name is Rune Ellingsen and I'm going to take you through WPDevSuite. So in this example we're going to brand our own plugin and we're inside of WPDevSuite right now. So let's go over to sliders and pop-ups. We choose to rebrand a fancy pop-up plugin. Everything you need to do is hit rebrand plugin and then you choose the plugin name. So in this case the plugin name is WP Fancy Pop-ups. We'll just choose the same one. Plugin URL. This is where you put the link to the page where you have your plugin. Information about that. We'll just choose google.com for this example. Description. Well, this is a fancy pop-up showing your visitors, let's see, sorry about that, visitors, your message. And here your author name, whatever you choose. Version, it does not matter what you're doing. I tend to stick with the 1 and 1.0 or 1.0.0. Author URL, this is, for example, if you want links to you. So this is about you as the author primarily. So the text domain, WP Fancy Pop-up. This is everything you need to do. And then click Create Plugin. And the plugin is created. You can now download your new plugin. It has all your details. You can also download the plugin documentation and you will have everything you need. So you can sell this plugin or give it away as is. I hope this has been informative. If you like this product, be sure to check it out now.